Come hike Mount Mariglam with Wella. This is my mother mountain, by the way. Mount Mariglam is located in Cabangan, Zambales and can be reached through a 5 to 6 hour drive from Manila. Nag-walking ako a week before the hike but one time lang to and hindi na nasundan. We arrived at around 5 a.m. and started our kolong-kolong ride at 5:30 a.m. This part alone will already test you. It feels like riding the space shuttle at Enchanted Kingdom and I would rate the extreme level a solid 9 out of 10. Pagkababa namin, nag-start kami mag-hike at 6 a.m. Habang nasa trail kami, naisipan kong i-film yung view because look at that, sobrang ganda talaga and justified lahat ng pahinga and water break. We reached Peak 1 by 6:40 a.m., a 40-minute hike kasama na ang rest and quick photos. On the way to Peak 2 and grabe ramdam ko na talaga yung pagod. Dito na nagsimula yung mga OA kong pahinga, yung tipong konting akyat, stop, konting lakad, stop ulit, but it's okay. Hiking isn't a race and besides kasama sa pahinga ko yung pag-enjoy ng view. From Peak 1 to Peak 2, umabot kami ng 40 minutes dahil paahon din halos lahat. We reached Peak 2 at 7:20 a.m. Kumain muna kami to regain strength and nag-picture dahil mandatory yan lalo na kapag maganda yung spot. Well actually kahit saan naman maganda, kahit sa maliit na patag o sa gilid ng trail. Habang pataas ng pataas, lalong gumaganda yung view kaya sulit ang bawat hakbang and sometimes, yung journey mismo yung nagpapaganda ng experience, hindi lang yung destination. Kaya kahit Peak 2 pa lang kami, na-feel na namin yung reward ng effort. We're here's the Peak 3 and wait till you see the view. Sobrang peace and instant stress reliever. From Peak 3 to Peak 4, wala na akong video kasi na-enjoy ko lang talaga ng full yung moment. Walang distraction, puro appreciation lang. By the way, the hike took around 20 minutes. Pagdating namin sa Peak 4, dito ko nakuha yung first drone shot ko. Grabe, ang saya ng feeling na makita yung buong landscape mula sa taas na para bang nasa ibang world ka. Moments like this remind me why we keep pushing kahit pagod na, because the view, the peace, and the achievement make all the effort worth it. And here we are at the summit. It's amazing to realize that sometimes you don't even notice how far you've come all because you kept taking one step at a time. You learn that it's not always about speed or skill but about perseverance and embracing the journey. When you finally reach this height, you understand that all the rests and doubts along the way were truly worth it. Pagbaba naman, excited ako for Agua Botillo River. Pero midway, nanginginig na legs ko, akala ko madali na lang but hindi pala. Kaya pagdating namin sa river, sinulit ko na and tumalan ako sa rocks even though I can't swim. Big thanks to our sweeper and tour guide sa pagsalo. Hindi ko na may isa-isa lahat since I have limited clips so I just shared ko ano lang yung meron akong pictures and videos.